Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. On today's video, you're going to be learning how to revamp your old wigs at home using affordable products. Please make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to revamp your wigs, your old wig at home by yourself. So you can do this revamping thing yourself at home by getting these affordable products. Like I used a shampoo and mega growth leave-in conditioner and also this keratin treatment milk and a leather bag. That's what you'll be needing, and your comb. Of course, you detangle your hair very well. So I found out that this hair was giving me a tough time detangling it, so I added it to a cold water and I was detangling it to avoid shedding. Okay, that was basically what I did to the cold water, and now I was done. So I added hot water for this revamping. I'm using hot water and I mixed it with the cold water. Okay, you have to get a lukewarm water for your revamping work. So I started detangling the straight hair because I'm working on two hairs, the straight and the coily hair. Okay, so I started detangling the straight one because I didn't do that before. So for this one I used my brush. I didn't have to put it in the cold water. So I now poured my shampoo and I started washing carefully. So you won't wash your hair like you're washing a clothes. Okay, look at me washing the closure area. You just keep washing like you see me do. You keep washing the hair and also detangling the hair as you wash. So you make sure you detangle everywhere that is tangled. You detangle it with your brush. Okay, so you keep washing, doing this, washing, like that's basically what you're going to do. So I kept doing this until the hair was properly detangled. So now this is what it looks like after detangling and washing for the first time. So I went ahead to do the same thing for the straight wig. So I was washing and detangling the straight wig as well. Okay, so this is what you keep doing. You wash and you detangle. Like you basically have to do the same thing for your coily hair, but this one I was using a brush. So for your coily hair you may not want to use this kind of brush, so you use a white tooth comb, okay, instead of a brush. Okay, so this is all you're going to be doing. You have to detangle and wash your hair very well. Okay, so this is what the water looks like at this point. That was the first wash. Now I went in with another water to wash for the second time. So I added shampoo into my water. This time I used cold water. Okay, you can choose to use cold or your warm water, your lukewarm water. Okay, whichever one you can do. Okay, so I started washing again and repeating the process just like I did the first time. You basically have to detangle and wash. So that was all I did again for the two wigs that I have here. Okay guys, so this is a wig after washing for the second time, although I've not rinsed it at this point. So you have to like rinse your hair after using your shampoo on it. Like you have to rinse it off, rinse your shampoo off from the hair. Okay, so that was what I was doing here. I was just rinsing it off the shampoo and I had to bring up my comb again to comb this hair. So I did that for this straight unit, and then I rinsed the coily one too. So you notice I didn't use brush. So at this point I was done rinsing my hair. I did the rinsing twice. So I went in with my conditioner. You know, I was generous with the conditioner. Okay, because this, especially the coily hair, was very bad. So I started deep conditioning this hair using our mega growth conditioner, deep conditioner. Okay, so I started applying the conditioner all over the hair, as you can see me do. All the corners of the hair I applied this conditioner, the back side, the everywhere, like the closure area. and I started massaging it into the hair, into all parts of the hair. So I was just massaging it. That was what I was doing here, so that the product will get into all parts of the hair. And I started combing the hair, okay, so the product will go in very well. So that was what I did there. And I also did the same for the straight wig, as you can see. So I was applying our Mega Growth deep conditioner to the straight wig as well, just like I did to the coily one, okay. So I was generous with the amount of conditioner that I applied on this hair. So this is how to deep condition, wash your hair and deep condition it. So after this, I allowed it to sit for about 10 minutes before I wash it off. So after 10 minutes, this is how the straight hair was looking. It was looking silky already. So, and this is the coily one. So it was looking good already. So I added water to the hair. Can you see that the water is looking whitish because of the conditioner? Can you see? So at this point I had to go outside because the light inside was very dull. So can you see the silkiness of that hair, of this our hair? See, I'll be showing you guys what it looks like. Okay, so this is basically what you're going to do. So what I'm applying right now is our keratin treatment milk, okay. You can skip this process if you don't have it, okay. So if you're working on a damaged hair, you can use this process. Like, you put your keratin on the hair and then pour hot water like I'm doing now in a tight container. You pour hot water and then cover and allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, so I came back to this hair and I poured the water. It was still hot though, so you just have to wash it away. The keratin treatment milk that you used, you just have to wash it out, okay. So I went ahead to wash the hair out. I allowed it to stay in the hot water for a while. Then I added more water, cold water. So I started brushing again, and then the hair was looking okay. It was looking like revived. And then I started combing again and I washed the hair. Like I rinsed off the products from the hair. So I added cold water to rinse off the hair the second time, and I sun dried this hair, okay. At this point I just air dried this hair and it's looking like this. Like, I've not even styled the hair and it's looking like this. So I'll be showing you guys what it looks like after styling, like what the hair looks like, because I'm going to bob the hair and style it. So I'll be showing you guys what it looks like, the final look. Thank you. So guys, in another video I'll be showing you guys the process of styling this hair, how I was able to style this hair to look like this. Now you can go back to the beginning of this video and watch out how this hair was looking before revamping. Now this is the coily one. So I'll be making a video, because I don't want this video to be too long. I'll be making a separate video where I'll show you how I styled this hair, the straight bob hair, okay. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share this video. If you have any question, please drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be there to answer all your questions. Thank you and see you in my next one.